welcome to our channel Knowledge Hub. Friends, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. Today we're gonna discuss your GK and important facts class, and this is your class number 82 and 81 we had discussed in the last class. So उससे पहले हमने 1858 questions already attempt कर लिया है. So now we're gonna discuss your 1859 question from now onwards. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, अगर आप हमारे चैनल फर्स्ट टाइम देख रहे हो या अभी तक आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो इट्स अ रिक्वेस्ट कि आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो सो दैट हम जो भी वीडियोस डालें वो आपके पास सबसे पहले पहुंचे। ऐसे के लिए अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ हमारे वीडियो को लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करो सो दैट ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों के पास वीडियो पहुँचे और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग इसका यूटिलाइजेशन भी कर सकें। Now moving on with the today's question, that is your 1859 question. And what is the given to the song released by the Indian Environment Ministry to spread awareness about air pollution? So I had asked you this question in the last class and I don't get the response, I don't get the answers of this. So this is Hawa Arede. This is the Hawa Arede is the title name of that song that is released by the Indian Environmental Ministry that spread awareness about the air pollution. This is Hawa Arede. Next question, that is question number 1860. Which of the following state has been revived 1% calorities in India? So this answer you have to answer in a comment section. Hopefully you will do that. 1861, that the United States has signed a defense agreement with which of the among following Gulf country? That answer also you have to comment out. Next question, that is question 1862. Which among the following BJP alliance refused to rejoin the PM Modi led government for the second time? That is JDU. Next question, that is question 1863. Which state and okay, this I think it is not visible now, it is visible. So yes, which state UT government has recently announced to build a water museum? This answer you also have to comment out. Next question, that is question 1864. National Commission for the Protection of Child Rights was set up in National Commission for Protection of Child Right was set up in 2007. Next question, that is question 1865. Who among the following will be the new external affairs ministry under the Modi 2.0? That is your 3, that is Jaishankar. S. Jaishankar is the new external affairs ministry under the Modi 2.0. Next question, that is question 1866. What was the name of the India's only a ragster that dies in Orissa Zoo? That you have to answer this answer you can on comment section, that you can answer all these questions that we are asked. Now moving on with the next question that we have is, so the next question, that is question 1867. Whose autobiographical account is Joseph's Anton? Joseph's Anton is a autobiographical account. This is the Salman Rushdie. Next question, that is question 1868. Of these who got the Saraswati Samman? Saraswati Samman किसको मिला था? That is Balamani. Okay, Balabari Amna को मिला था. Next question, that is question 1863. According to the recent CSO report, GDP growth slows to the 5 years low at dash in the January-March quarters. That you have to answer in the comment section with the question number named here. Next question, that is question 1870. Who among the following has been appointed as the Deputy Executive Director of the United Nations entity for the gender equality of the empowerment of the women, that is UN women, that is Anita Bhatia. Next question, that is question number your 1871. We have India at which nation agreed to strengthen the bilateralities on the April 11, 2019, that is Netherlands. Next question, that is question 1872. Which river is known as Chandrabhagya Cherab? That is Chandrabhagya जिसे आप कहते हैं वो आपका चेराब नदी है. Next question, that is question 1873. The king who signed the historic temple entry proclamation was Shri Chitra Tirunal Balarama Verma. Next question, that is question number 1874. We have how many Indian origin student were Indian origin student among with US national spelling bee? That is 6. Next question, that is question 1875 that we have. The next question that we have is the question 1875. India's flagship program, Namal Ganga, was felicitated with the coveted Public Water Agency of the Year award of the Global Water Summit. The summit was held in which city? That is London. Next question, that is question 1876. Who has been elected as Venezuela's president? And that the answer is Nicolas Maduro. Next question, that is question 1877. Recently, in which state of Indian state Nepal's virus has outbreaks, and the Nepal's virus has outbreak in Kerala. Next question, that is question 1878. Who has been appointed as the chairman cum manager director CMD of the Coal Indian Limited? That is Anil Kumar Jha. Next question, that is question 1879. Recently, which country has unveiled world's first floating nuclear power station? That is Russia. Next question, that is question 1880. Recently, who has been appointed as president of Hockey India? That is Rajendra Singh. Next question, that is question number 1881 that we have. Recently, which country has won the Women's Asian Champion Trophy Hockey 2018? That is South Korea. Next question, that is question number 1882 that we have. The next question we have your question 1882. Which country has moved its embassy from the Tel Aviv and the Jerusalem, becoming the second country to do so after the when US integrated its embassy in the Jerusalem? That is Guatemala. Guatemala जो है वो उन्होंने ट्रांसफर किया था. Next question, that is question 1883. Recently, an eminent personality, Bala Kumaran, passed away. He was a Tamil writer. A Tamil writer, yes, a Tamil writer. Okay. Next question, that is question 1884. Kishan Ganga Hydro Project is located on river Krishna Ganga river in the tributary of which river? That is Jhelum. Next question, that is question 1885. What is the rank of the India in the list of the 175 countries in the end of the Childhood Index 2018? Is indexed by the Global Child Right Group Save the Children? That is 113. Next question, that we have your question number 1886. Here you can see that the question, who has become the face of control railway anti-trespassing campaign? That is Amitabh Bachchan. That is question number 1887. Who is the first Indian to receive the Lenin medal since it was the first contributed in 1888? That is Kawaljeet Bawa. Next question, that is question number 1888. Which team has won the IPC 2018? That is Chennai Super King. Next question, that is question number 1889 that we have. 1889. Which Indian company has become the first company to achieve the 7 lakh crore rupees MCAP milestone? That is TCS. Next question, that is question 1890. According to 2018 Global Peace India, which country is the most peaceful country in the world? That is Iceland. Next question, that is question 1891. Who is the winner of the Poly Amrigar Award 2018-17? That is Virat Kohli. Next question, that is question 1892. With which country the state government of Andhra Pradesh has signed severe pacts for the development of the startup arms? That is 1.691 acres in the new capital Amravati to transform it into the world's class city? That is Singapore. Next question, that we have a question 1833 that we have 93 that we have. Who has become the first Indian cricketer to aware 2000 runs in 2020? That is international में जहाँ पे मिथाली राज. Next question, that is question number 1894. Government of India has constituted a group of eminent persons to study the special economic zone, that is SEZ policy in the India. Who is the chairman of that group? That is Baba Kalyani. Next question, that is question number 1895. At which place 22nd editions of exercise Malabar is having a conductor? That is your Guam. Next question, that is question number 1896 we have. 1896 we have is who has become the first woman prime minister of the Caribbean island and the Barbados since gaining the independence from the Britain in 1966, that is Mix Motley. Next question, that is question 1897. Which country has won Uber Cup 2018 after 37 years, that is Japan. Next question, that is question 1898 we have Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh Jai Ram has announced which scheme for offering you the cylinder security and the gas stoves or those not covered under the Ujjwala Yojana, that is Himachal Grihidi Suvidha Yojana. Next question, that is question number 1839 we have Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone for the 2400 MW first phase of NTPC Prathusu Super Thermal Power Project in which state, that is Jharkhand. Next question, that is question 1900. In the first area which a bank has launched is digital loan against the mutual fund, that is HDFC. Next question, that is question 1901. Which country has become the first country in Southeast Asia to eliminate trachoma, that is Nepal. Next question, that is question 1902. Which railway station is the dirtiest railway station in the country, that is Kanpur Central. Next question that we have. Now next questions we will discuss in the next class. Hopefully you like this video. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion on the comment box. Please like, share and subscribe our channel so that many and maximum people can get the information at once. Thank you.